Part 9th B. The Cooperative Societies. Article 243ZH Definitions. Article 243ZI Incorporation of Cooperative Societies. Article 243ZJ Number and terms of members of board and its officers bearers. Article ZK Election of members of board. Article 243ZL Suppressions and suspension of board and interim management. Article 243ZM Audit of accounts of cooperative societies. Article 243ZN Convening of general body meetings. Article 243ZO Right of a member to get information. Article 243ZP Returns. Article 243ZQ Offences and penalties. Article 243ZR Application to multi-state cooperative societies. Article 243ZS Application to union territories. Article 243ZT Continuance of existing laws. Part 10th The Scheduled and Tribal Areas. Article 244 Administration of Scheduled Areas and Tribal Areas. Article 244A Formation of an autonomous state comprising certain tribal areas in Assam and creation of local legislature or council of ministers or both thereof, therefore. Part 11th Relations between the Union and the States. Chapter 1 Legislative Relations. Distribution of legislative powers. Article 245 Extent of laws made by Parliament and by the legislatures of states. Article 246 Subject matter of laws made by Parliament and by the legislatures of states. Article 247 Power of Parliament to provide for the establishment of certain additional courts. Article 248 Residuary powers of legislation. Article 249 Power of Parliament to legislate with respect to a matter in the state list in the national interest. Article 250 Power of Parliament to legislate with respect to any matter in the state list if a proclamation of emergency is in operation. Article 251 Inconsistency between laws made by Parliament under Articles 249 and 250 and laws made by the legislatures of states. Article 252 Power of Parliament to legislate for two or more states by consent and adoption of such legislation by any other state. Article 253 Legislation for giving effect to international agreements. Article 254 Inconsistency between laws made by Parliament and laws made by the legislatures of states. Article 255 Requirements as to recommendations and previous sanctions to be regarded as matters of procedures only. Chapter 2nd Administrative Relations General. Article 256 Obligation of states and the Union. Article 257 Control of the Union over states in certain cases. Article 257A omitted. Article 258 Power of the Union to confer powers etc. on states in certain cases. Article 258A Power of the states to entrust functions to the Union. Article 259 omitted. Article 260 Jurisdiction of the Union in relation to territories outside India. Article 261 Public Acts, Records and Judicial Proceedings. Disputes relating to waters. Article 262 Adjudication of disputes relating to waters of interstate rivers or river valleys. Coordination between states. Article 263 Provisions with respect to an interstate council. Part 12 Finance, Property, Contracts and Suits. Chapter 1 Finance General. Article 264 Interpretations. Article 265 Taxes not to be imposed save by authority of law. Article 266 Consolidated Funds and Public Accounts of India and of the states. Article 267 Contingency Fund. Distribution of revenues between the Union and the states. Article 268 Duties levied by the Union but collected and appropriated by the state. Article 268A omitted. Article 269 Taxes levied and collected by the Union but assigned to the states. Article 270 Taxes levied and distributed between the Union and the states. Article 271 Surcharge on certain duties and taxes for purpose of the Union. Article 272 omitted. Article 273 Grants in lieu of export duty on jute and jute products. Article 274 Prior recommendation of President required to bills affecting taxation in which states are interested. Article 275 Grants from the Union to certain states. Article 276 Taxes on professions, trades, callings and employments. Article 277 Savings. Article 278 omitted. Article 279 Calculation of net proceeds etc. Article 280 Finance Commission. Article 281 Recommendations of the Finance Commission.